Most Gen AI systems deployed today are using Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. That means if you understand this architecture completely, you can build the systems that are most in demand today. For the past 12 years, I've been building production systems at companies such as Cloudflare, Gruntwork, and now Pinecone. In this video series, I'm going to break down Retrieval Augmented Generation and make it easy to understand. I'm even going to give you all the code that you need to build your own RAG system on your own data. You can have a conversation with my writing. If you click one of the pre-populated questions here, such as what is the programming bug, then immediately in my website, you get a response from the ghost of my writing. And you may notice that you also were immediately streamed back related blog posts. You can come here and you can ask questions, and you are in fact getting an answer from a tool that has read all of my writing. But you can also ask free-form questions. And if you do that, then you'll get back a real response, right? So we're actually going to go through all of that in excruciating detail because I've written a blog post or a tutorial where I go through exactly how to build this, exactly how it works end to end. And we're going to talk through the architecture, the workflow. We're going to talk about embeddings. We're going to talk about the backend API route code that uses the latest from Vercel's AI SDK. We're going to talk about the front-end code, how the related blog posts works. What you will learn in this video and in this architecture can be applied to any problem, right? So it's not just text data, it's not just my blog, it's any proprietary data or private data that you might have that you could use to enrich an application. So imagine that this is your e-commerce site and you already have traffic, people are searching for things. What would happen if they started to have a rich chat experience? That could also be recommending related products. Think about one of the benefits of a retrieval augmented generation pipeline is that it really condenses the interface down so that a user only needs to know how to ask a simple question in natural language in order to get back very detailed, structured responses. Let's talk through the data flow. As you can see here, there's really two major pieces in this chat flow. There's the back end, right? And that's handling everything after the chat interface. So all the things you can't see as the end user, that's the embeddings, that's the vector search, that's bundling up the context and sending it to the LLM and then streaming back the response from the LLM to the front end. We've got plenty going on in the chat interface. That's a React app that we will talk through. And then the other piece here is really the initial data ingest and pre-processing that's required to get your Pinecone vector database to be a knowledge store that has all of your relevant contents. All right, everyone, thanks for watching this video. Stick around because in the next video, we're going through the data ingest piece and how to use the open source Jupyter notebook I've created so that you can do the same thing with your data.